Wow, nasa 30,000 na mga individual ang bagong makakabenepisyo dito sa SSS. Sino-sino sila? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan.
Hold up.
Hello mga ka-vlogs! Welcome dito sa aking YouTube channel. Magandang araw po sa lahat ng mga manonood. Saan po kayong dako sa mundo? Kumusta mga ka-vlogs? Meron nga pong bagong mga individual na makakabenepisyo po sa mga benefits ni SSS. Nasa 30,000 po ang kanilang bilang. Sino-sino ba ang mga ito? Pag-uusapan natin mamaya-maya. Pero kung bago ka pa lang dito, at hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, maaari niyo pong i-click ang ating subscribe button na nasa baba. Huwag niyong kaligtaan na i-turn on ang notification bell. Ilagay niyo po sa all para updated naman kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. So noong August 1 po mga ka-vlogs ay isa pong Memorandum of Agreement ang pinirmahan ng SSS at ng Angkas Rider Group mga ka-vlogs, kung saan po nasa 30,000 po na Angkas Riders, no, in Luzon, in Metro Cebu, and in Cagayan de Oro City ang makaka-benepisyo, no, sa mga benefits na SSS tulad po ng sickness benefits, maternity, funeral, death, pension benefits mga ka-vlogs at iba pa, no, matapos nga po itong Memorandum of Agreement sa pagpapamiyembro sa mga Angkas Riders mga ka-vlogs. Narito atin pong basahin muna ang official statement ng SSS hinggil nga po dito sa Memorandum of Agreement na ito. Ayon dito sa website ng Social Security System, 30,000 Angkas partner riders to get social security protection from SSS. Social Security System or SSS President and Chief Executive Officer Rolando Ledesma Makasait and Angkas Chief Executive Officer George Ilagan Royeca on August 1 signed a Memorandum of Agreement or MOA that will give social security protection to about 30,000 Angkas partner bikers operating in Metro Manila, Metro Cebu, and Cagayan de Oro City. Makasait lauded Angkas for taking the initiative to secure the future of its partners bikers through SSS membership and giving them access to the social security benefits they deserve. Quoted, considering the high risk of their profession by being in the field most of the time, Angkas partner bikers need a solid protection that is something to turn to in cases of emergencies. With this agreement, SSS will give them the social security protection that they need, Makasait said. Makasait said that Angkas SSS partnership carries the tagline Angkas SSS Nasa Protektadong Bukas, which reflects the SSS aim of providing social security coverage and old age pension to all working Filipinos. Makasait called on other ride-sharing and food delivery platform companies to imitate Angkas initiative and take the necessary steps to make their partner riders and drivers SSS members. Under the agreement, SSS Senior Vice President for National Capital Region Operations Group Maria Rita S. Agoha explained that partner bikers will be classified as self-employed SSS members. They will gain access to a wide range of social security benefits such as sickness, maternity, disability, retirement, funeral, and death. Agoha, who also chairs the task force in the coverage of Angkas riders, said that they can also apply for SSS loan programs such as salary and calamity, providing them with financial assistance for their immediate needs. Quote, on top of SSS benefits, they will also get additional coverage from the Employees Compensation or EC program for work-related sickness, disability, or death. She said that Angkas will serve as an authorized coverage and collection partner of SSS. Angkas can collect the monthly contributions of its active partner bikers and remit it to the SSS. Meanwhile, SSS Executive Vice President for Branch Operations Sector, Volter P. Agas, said that currently the SSS contribution rate stands at 14%. The monthly salary credit used to determine the amount of monthly contribution ranges from 4,000 to 30,000 for self-employed members. Agas said that the lowest monthly contribution is 570 pesos, consisting of 560 for the regular SSS contribution and 10 pesos for the EC contribution. Quoted, on the other hand, the highest monthly contribution is 4,230 pesos, composed of 2,800 for the regular SSS contribution, 30 pesos for the EC contribution, and 1,400 pesos for the mandatory My SSS pension booster. He explained that, for example, if the Angkas partner riders can earn 30,000 pesos monthly, they will have a combined SSS and EC monthly contribution payment of 1,830 pesos. He said that partner bikers earning 20,250 pesos and above will also contribute to the mandatory My SSS pension booster, which ranges from 70 to 1,400 per month, in addition to the SSS and EC contributions. For example, if the Angkas partner riders are getting 23,750 pesos monthly, they will be contributing 2,800 pesos for the regular SSS contribution, 30 pesos for the EC contributions, and 560 pesos for the mandatory pension booster every month. He concluded that with this agreement, SSS commits itself to promoting the welfare of Angkas riders and their families by providing them with social security benefits. So ayun po mga ka-vlogs, atin pong napakinggan sa ating binasa ang official statement ng SSS sa kanilang website. Hinggil nga po dito sa Memorandum of Agreement sa pagitan ng SSS at ng Angkas Rider mga ka-vlogs. Maganda ito sa pagkat kahit pa paano nagkakaroon po ng proteksyon ang ating mga Angkas Riders mga ka-vlogs. Dahil alam naman natin, most of the time nasa field talaga sila. Kahit pa paano may proteksyon, and of course may enjoy nila ang mga benefits as mandated po sa SSS Circular. Ito po yung ating death benefit, funeral, maternity benefits, yung ating tinatawag na pension pag nagkaka-pension na tayo sa retirement age po natin. And of course, maaari din po mag-avail ng mga loan, gaya po ng salary loan and calamity loan mga ka-vlog. So, ito naman mga Angkas riders, sila po ay kinategorize as self-employed. So, marami 30,000 na Angkas riders po ang makakabenepisyo dito sa signing of Memorandum of Agreement. So, good job, dahil ito po talaga ay para sa kapakanan ng mga Angkas riders. Sa ating mga Angkas riders dyan, baka meron tayong viewer. Ayan, magkomento kayo sa comment section na nasa baba kung taga saan kayo para ma-shoutout ko naman po kayo sa next video natin, mga Angkas riders. Ayan ha. Meron ng Memorandum of Agreement sa pagitan ng SSS at ng Angkas Rider group mga ka-vlogs, kung saan maaari na kayo magpamiyembro sa SSS at ma-enjoy ang mga benefits na meron po ang ating mga SSS members. And of course, yung ating aim talaga is magkakaroon ng pensyon pagdating po ng ating retirement age. And of course, meron tayong protection talaga sa ating pang-araw-araw na trabaho. Mga Angkas Riders, saludo po tayo sa inyo. Bago ako magtapos sa video na to, kung nais po sumuporta sa akin channel, maaari niyo pong i-click ang ating super thanks button na nasa baba. Sa mga gusto maging miyembro, ayan po ang ating join button. Mamili kayo ng mga perks na ansyaan mga ka-vlogs. Sana'y naging gabay ang video na to kahit pa paano ay atin pong natalakay ang mga mahahalagang bagay-bagay na may kinalaman sa pagiging miyembro, benepisyaryo at pensyonado sa SSS. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, maaari nyo nang i-click ang ating subscribe button na nasa baba. Huwag nyo kaligtaan na i-turn on ang notification bell. Ilagay nyo po sa all para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. Maaari nyo ding i-like ang video na to. At kung meron ka pang mga katanungan, maaari nyo i-komento sa comment section na nasa baba. At paki-follow na din po ang aking official Facebook page na nasa screen nyo. Muli po, ako si Daniel Timpawa na nagsasabing dito sa aking YouTube channel, Pawang Katotohanan at lahat totoo lamang.